Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. I am going to share with you a really interesting trick that will make your friends go wow. In this video, we will see how to change Google icon with the name you want. So let's go through it step by step. First open the Google search engine and here type my doodle. Press enter and you will see the option of my doodle Chrome Web Store. Click on it. Select add to Chrome and let's click on add extension and then click on these Google apps and click on search. You will start seeing the option of my doodle here, okay? Then click on this icon and click on my doodle and here type the name that you want to appear. Let's type Zunara Tahir and these are two options that will help you to adjust the name according to your wish. And next time when you open this browser, you will see your name instead of Google. I hope you enjoyed this trick. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit like, drop a comment and subscribe to it. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.